My name is Kethi Tafadzwa Manyani. I'm a follower of Amy and Tafadzwa. I've been following them since, my memory does not betray me, around 2010, because we met at Haifa. And I've always been following their pages on Facebook. And I'm happy with their music, the progress they're making. And I'm happy about the album launch. It's actually something that I came across when I was checking on their Facebook page, because I always check whenever they release music or whenever they are performing their shows. So when I realized that this album launch, I opted to come in because I stay around. And I'm so happy with the progress they're making so far. And I'm so happy with the fact that they are preserving traditional music. You know, most of our people are venturing into foreign music and other kind of genres. I'm not saying it's bad, but personally I prefer traditional cultural music because it is full of, or it is pregnant with teachings which the young generation, even the older generation, can always be reminded of, or can always be addressed in respect of whatever situation they face. I'm feeling so happy, and I'm happy about the crowd. If you look at the crowd here, it may not be as big as filling a huge stadium or the HICC, but those people who are here, the moment they go out there to share with people what they've learned here, it has got a great impact on the society. So I'm so grateful to these guys, and I wish them all the best. I'm so happy, especially the sound quality. And you know, I came here at around 2:15, and them being on stage non-stop for about 2 hours, that shows that there are people who are committed. And I wish them all the best in life.